Hey guys, it's Shannon.
And Paul.
And we're super excited because we have a brand new surprise to share with you today.
Yes, we do.
We have the LOL Surprise Furniture Packs. How cool is this?
Pretty cool.
So, thanks to MGA for sending these to us so we could share with you guys and take a look with you guys. I'm going to reach right over here and grab this one. Okay. So, these are brand new furniture packs. It says it comes with 10 plus surprises. You get an exclusive doll inside. These are Series 1. Pay attention, it says the box becomes a play set, which is cool.
Ooh, nice.
And this has like the best holographic packaging ever.
Yes, it does.
That is so pretty. We could do this all day. Look.
Yeah.
Ooh, so pretty. Okay, so inside we're going to find furniture, accessories, a doll, and a play set.
Nice.
Pretty awesome. So I have the boutique. And I'm going to let Paul open that one. What do you have, Paul?
All right, so I have, looks like MC Swag.
Nice.
And looks like I have a little car. Oh, do I have two cars? Do I have a car and like a trailer? I might.
I think that's the same car.
I think it's the same thing?
I don't know.
I don't know.
We'll find out.
All right, we've got accessories. Here we go. I have the Cozy Coupe.
And there's actually going to be 4 different furniture packs. Today we're just sharing these 2 with you. So Paul, do you want to go first?
Sure. All right, let's see. There's a tear strip on the side.
And it says you can use these with your LOL Surprise House, which we're going to show you at the end of the video because we still have our LOL Surprise House.
Fun.
And it's awesome.
It is awesome. All right, here we go.
Cozy Coupe.
Take the top off.
Ooh.
Wow. This is like so shimmery.
It is. It's beautiful.
All right, you want to be careful with how you unbox this because...
Wow.
Wow.
Look at the way that unfolds. So, here, turn it this way.
Yeah. Help me out, Shannon.
Oh, actually, that's going to be the ground because there's a hopscotch.
Okay.
This whole thing is going to open up.
Oh.
Okay, there is stuff everywhere. Okay, let's take all your surprises out of the way. And then...
Okay.
I know there's going to be a way to fold this to make it make sense.
Probably.
Look at this! A reserved parking spot for your little Cozy Coupe.
All right, there is instruction.
There's a missing poster. Have you seen Meow?
Okay, there's instructions, but the instructions are just for your doll.
Okay.
And to put the dice in your car.
That's cute.
That is cute.
Okay, I'm going to pull this aside and look at it for a minute while Paul's going to open some stuff.
Sorry. Okay.
Paul's not on camera.
What am I doing? Am I going to open?
Yeah, you're opening stuff. You just weren't on camera.
Okay.
Paul's making faces.
Yeah.
You should see him over here. He's so excited.
There is 2 little cars. So here's the big car right here. We'll open that up in just a second. I started opening this. This is so cute and cool. Look at this, guys. It's like a little wagon. Look how shiny and metallic it is. So that is perfect, like for your little sister or a pet.
Oh, yeah. We're going to have to get a pet.
It says Beats.
Beats. I'm trying to figure out how to fold this up. I'm going to need...
like an engineering degree.
Something.
Okay, here is... Look at this, Shannon. Here's our little car.
Look, and it...
This is adorable, and look at that. It has the little Tykes.
That is so awesome.
Tag on it. So... Like, I wonder if there's going to be full-size ones of these that you can get from Little Tykes.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Yeah. That is really cute. I would have liked this. This shiny red one. That's awesome. Okay, it has a little trailer hitch, so you can put your little wagon on the back. Oh, that rolls so nice. That is awesome. Let's open this up. We have a little pair of dice in here. Okay, a little pair of dice, and I want to take my little car off. And these are going to go in here. Let me see. Hopefully I can get these in. Yep, there we go. Check that out. We got little dice ornaments.
Cute.
All right, now we have a whole bunch of blind bags here, and we also have stickers.
I love my sister and baby on board.
Yep, so you can change your little license plate. Oh, we also have an air freshener, a Christmas tree air freshener.
That is adorable.
That's a different...
Is there a spot for more than one at the same time? Or do you just change them out?
You change them out.
Okay.
So I think we're going to leave the dice. I like those the best. Okay, these are going to be for our doll's baby. Little baby hat. We have
Cute.
our little, like, Timberland boots. This is going to be the baby bottle, maybe? No, the outfit.
Oh, cute outfit. So that is a different outfit than MC Swag normally came with, I believe.
Yep, so this is like a little onesie with a little basketball shirt, but the white and black, like, leather jacket.
Adorable.
Very cute. This will be the bottle. We have a little white bottle with a red top. And last but not least...
Wow, there are a lot of surprises inside.
There are...
There she goes.
Alright, this is MC Swag. So she's really cute. Now, is this MC Swag or is this Beats?
MC Swag.
I think it is too. Yeah, MC Swag.
It said MC Swag on the box.
Oh, okay, cool.
Let me show you this real quick
please,
before we get all the water. It says MC Swag was here, right on the back.
Oh, awesome.
I think I have it folded out correctly. So, you know, once it sits a little bit, it'll kind of flatten out more. But you have a little garage over there with a reserved spot so you can park your car. And this is the most important part, and this is like really true. How many of your front doors look like this when you come home? Do you see all those boxes? I think the LOL surprise delivery service was here. Or Amazon.
That is awesome.
So, look, you could drive your little car up and park it in the garage.
That's the sound my car makes.
Is that the sound it makes?
That is.
So that is a super cute little play set.
Oh, that's awesome.
Paul likes the
that.
car.
I do. All right, let's do the water here.
Okay, color change
see.
time.
Does MC Swag color change? No. Tinkle? No. All right, is she going to cry or spit? We don't know. I think I know what she's going to do. Alright, she's like, so my name is MC Swag, and I have the cozy coupe, which is just awesome. But it's so cozy, only one person can fit in it at a time. And I'm like, oh no, why? Why can't more people fit in the cozy coupe? Why? Why can't it be both sporty and roomy? Why? That is the one thing you're always going to sacrifice. If it's roomy, it's not going to be sporty. If it's sporty, it's not going to be roomy.
Okay, we have to see her inside the coupe. I think what we'll do is I'll open mine and then we'll come back with the dolls dressed and show you them dressed and show you them in the little vehicle and stuff. And then we'll also show you in the house.
Sounds good.
Okay, so do you want to take your little playset?
Yes. Let me go ahead and do that.
Okay, let's go ahead and open the boutique. And we're going to get a queen bee.
The cozy coupe is so amazing. I'm really looking forward to see what you get.
There goes the top of my playset. Okay, so like Paul said, open these carefully. Here come all my surprises. So we're just going to dump all my surprises out and take a look at this backdrop playset here. Oh, you guys, this is awesome!
Oh, wow!
I have a whole store! So this is the BB Boutique, if you can see it right there. And I'm not sure if I folded these right, but this is what I did with the other one. There's a... It's a little unwieldy to show you this on camera.
Yeah.
There's a little, like, slit in the cardboard right here and right here. So what I did is I just tucked... Uh-oh, mine's coming apart up there.
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay. This one got damaged in shipping.
It did, yeah.
I'm not sure what what happened, but the box we got arrived. It looked like it had been kicked. I just slid the corner of this piece into that slit on both sides. And I think that's kind of what helps it stay open. So let's do that. There we go. There is our BB Boutique. These are awesome backdrop playsets. I love all the little clothes and purses over here. Super cute. So we'll set that right there.
Awesome.
And then we're going to look at all my surprises. So I didn't get a sticker, probably because I don't have a car.
Okay.
let's open this one first.
All right.
Okay, we have like a little armoire or wardrobe.
Oh, nice.
It's gold and black. The black has gold glitter in it. Very pretty. It has little gold feet on the bottom. And let's open it up. Look at this, you guys.
Whoa, that's
There's
nice.
a little hanging bar, or actually 2 little hanging bars inside, so you can hang clothes. And there's little hangy hooks here. And then check this out. There's little drawers, Paul.
Ah?
Little drawers.
Oh, that's awesome. You can put your shoes and stuff in there.
Yep. And the little hangy bars call for hangers. So LOL Surprise did not want to leave you out.
Didn't want to leave you hanging.
We have a nice amount of hangers. How many hangers do we have here? It looks like 6 hangers.
Wow.
So you can actually hang them.
Oh, cute. On the little
We need
bar.
a fashion. Do you have a fashion over there? There's a cape.
Cape.
We can take
Okay.
the little cape.
There you go.
Thank you. So this little cape, let's close it. We can hang the little cape. There we go.
Ah,
And that's now for sale in our boutique.
cute.
So let's put all our little hangers on there. That is so cute. It's really adorable.
Here's another one. Let's put another one.
More fashions.
Yeah.
Oh, a cute little dress. Cute little dress for sale in our boutique. So let's see. We're gonna set that right there.
Okay.
Now, like I said, these things I think will kind of flatten out
Yeah. If
once
you put like some heavy books on top of them.
Yep. Okay, we have a mirror.
Ooh.
This just looks like maybe a floor mirror to stand up. Or does it go on? Oh no, it's going to be a floor mirror. The little back opens up to give it a little base to stand.
Awesome.
And you have a little floor mirror. So where is...
What do you need?
Here, you can hand me the 80s baby we have over off to the side. Or no, here's a doll. She's missing a skate.
Yeah.
She could be like, "Ooh, I just skated into the shop to see how I look. Ooh, I look fantastic." And look at that, the mirror actually works.
Sure does.
So she has a little floor-length mirror to look at. And no boutique is complete without a really cool, fancy lamp. No, it's not a lamp.
That's a mannequin.
It's a mannequin. It could be a lamp. A lampikin.
Lampikin.
Or a mana lamp.
Either way, I like them both.
Okay, it kind of looks like it would be a lamp, but no, it's a little mannequin with a little outfit that is gold glitter. So we'll set that on the floor. Okay, now we have lots of blind bags here.
Yep, that's going to be all of your doll stuff.
Okay. This is perfect. She has a cell phone. It's still cracked. These dolls are very
Yep.
hard on their cell phones.
They are tough on cell phones.
So she has a cell phone. She can call all her friends to the boutique. Here's the bottle. Look at the gold glitter.
Cool.
Let's see what her outfit looks like. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Look at that outfit. That gold glitter dress. I like the stripy dress. And little black shoes. And last but not least, let's take a look at Queen Bee. She's like, "Ba-doo." So here she is. Look at all that amazing gold glitter hair. She has just like the best boutique in the entire world.
Yes, she does.
Okay. I don't think she's going to color change, but we'll try.
Yep, I don't think she is.
No color change.
No color
There you go.
change. Tinkle test. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
She's going to tinkle.
Very slowly.
Yeah. It's like, so my name is Queen Bee, and I love hanging out in the boutique, and it's just so much fun trying on all the clothes and stuff, and I usually eat and drink a whole lot before I go there, so that way I don't get hungry or thirsty, but sometimes my tummy starts rumbling, and I'm like, oh no, and I'm over there on the, at the bathroom going, hey, come on, I need to get in there, but people are in there, so I go in the dressing room and I'm like, oh, now it's the boutique.
Oh no.
I've turned the boutique into the boutique.
That is never a good thing to do.
It's never a good thing to do.
So there is Queen Bee in her little outfit. She looks awesome. I love all the glitter.
I do too. Now, I do want to point out this. I believe this is an exclusive Queen Bee to this set.
Yes.
So even though she has been out in series 1, I think,
Yep.
and again in one of the glitter series,
This is a unique one.
that is unique.
So awesome.
Yep.
Okay, do you want to show us yours?
Yeah. Look at this. Look how awesome this is. So I put one of our little pets in the little trailer car. I'm going to take that
That
off.
is so cute. I didn't know you were going to get a trailer too.
Yeah, this is incredible. Look at how cute
She's adorable.
this is. That is awesome. And I did not know it, but the door opens up.
That way she can get in and out.
Yep, that is really cool. All right, let's take a look at MC Swag here. So there she is. And once again, this is an exclusive outfit to this set. Totally awesome. We're putting her right back in the little car.
Well, she has to drive to the house now, so we can show you the rest of her.
Okay, let's take her over to the house.
So here is our LOL Surprise dollhouse.
Awesome.
It is pretty awesome. Let's take a look up here where we added our boutique furniture. So we went ahead and added it up here in our little like girly room or beauty room. It's now our boutique. There is our wardrobe with the clothes for sale. Of course, the full-length mirror for our dolls to check out their outfits, and our mana lamp.
Yep, we're the Lampican. Don't forget the Lampican.
And there is Queen Bee enjoying her shopping experience. Now, let's go ahead and move down here to see the cozy coop. Paul, what's going on down here outside?
Well, there is no garage, so MC Swag just had to kind of find a place to park.
I don't think that's the best place to park your car. The swimming pool?
No, we don't recommend parking your car there, but you know, she had fun at the boutique.
She did.
She had a little bit too much fun and got a little bit crazy driving home and ended up in the swimming pool.
All right.
We've all been there.
Well, you heard it here first.
That's right.
Do not park your car in the swimming pool. Okay, so I just want to point out really quick again that the cardboard play sets that come with these furniture packs, they are really heavy-duty cardboard. They're nice quality, and I think it's awesome that they're included because that way if you don't have a dollhouse, you can use those play sets. And actually, they'd be really cool to like hook them all together or like tape them all together and make a big play scene.
Yep.
So, okay, we're not going to pick favorites because we like all these and I know Paul would pick that one. And
yes.
I'd totally pick that one. So, but you guys can let us know what you think of them. While you're down there letting us know, make sure to give the video a thumbs up if you want to see the other 2 furniture packs. And we want to thank MGA again for sending these. Okay, don't forget to subscribe so you can be part of the PS Toy Reviews crew where we never park our car in the swimming pool.
And we are making a mana lamp.
Thanks so much for watching.
We'll see you next time.